Hey learner, welcome back to my channel. Here we discussed different topics in economics. You know, in economics, cost is an important term. In production, research and accounting, a cost is the value of money that has been used up to produce something or deliver a service, and therefore it is not available for use anymore. So in simple word, according to Cambridge Dictionary, cost is the amount of money needed to buy, do or make something. Therefore, we must say that the cost is a very important term, and today we will know about cost of production, or we will say that the first part of different concepts of cost of production. So the functions of the firm is to produce and sell goods and services. In order to perform this function, the firm has to incur different types of costs such as production cost, transport cost, storage cost, advertisement cost, etc. So the cost of production is the cost incurred to produce goods and services. So we shall now discuss the concept of all the cost of production one by one. So in order to analyze the nature of the cost of production, economists have made a distinction among three concepts of cost of production. We shall explain these three concepts one by one. So let's see, these three concepts are the money cost of production, real cost of production, and we all know the opportunity cost. The first concept is money cost of production. It is very easy to understand that when the production cost expressed in terms of money, then it is called money cost of production. So let us understand it very clearly with the help of example. Suppose there is a firm. Look at the picture. There is a firm, and in order to produce goods and services, the firm has to purchase some raw materials and machines and also employ labor. Not only that, but also it has to build factory sheds also, and these all activities the firm has to spend a lot of money. This all expenditure is known as money cost of production. On that case, 2 points should be noted while calculating money cost of production, and that are the very important things. The first, normal profit, that has to be included when calculating money cost of production, and similarly there is a input costs also included here. So the first question arises to we know that our normal profit. What is the normal profit? Because we learn in a perfectly competitive market about the normal profit, but what is the imputed costs? Sometimes it is found that in the production process, the entrepreneur employs some factors of production which are owned by him or the owner. Therefore, these costs of the factor of production owned by the entrepreneur known as imputed cost. So the imputed costs must be included while calculating money cost of production. And our second concepts of the cost of production is a real cost of production. So according to the concept, the amount of sacrifice involved in supplying different factors of production is a real cost of production. Such as, for example, when a worker, suppose a worker or a labor services, he has to sacrifice his leisure. The sacrifice of leisure involves some toil and trouble, and this toil and trouble represent real cost of production from the society's point of view. And similarly, when the owner of the funds lend the money to other individuals, he obtains from the current consumption. So, had he consumed this money, he would have obtained some money. So, these are called the real cost of production because mental concept and it cannot be measured in terms of money. So, the modern economist think that the labor when sacrifice his leisure, these are the real cost of production, and they never think that the real cost of production are included in the different cost of production because such costs are subjective and also it's not measured in terms of money. So that's for the modern nature and terms of money for the real cost of production. And our final concept is opportunity cost, and we discussed this concept in our previous video also. That is the value of the next best alternative that you had to forgo when you made a choice. Just like in here, the man choice between A or the choice between B. And I will give an example also. Suppose if I spent last Sunday at park, then I cannot spend it doing my homework. So, and that's called the next best alternative. And these called the opportunity cost. Where the opportunity cost of any factor of production is the amount of earning which could have been obtained by the factor of production in the next best alternative use. So on that, such costs are not written in the cost records of the firm also. So that's all for today. Today we discussed the 3 types of the cost of production. And in our next video, we will know about total cost, fixed cost and the variable cost with its lots of example. So now, please like and share my video. Please subscribe my channel for more content. Thank you. Thanks for watching.